largest municipality in the province of Cotabato. It has a population of 87,927 people according to the census of 2020. The municipality of Makilala was a village with the name of Lamitan. The name Makilala was the portmanteau of the name of the early barangays of the area, namely Malasilak, Isante, and Lamitan. An additional la was added to match the Hiligaynon words, which means to be known. The municipality of Makilala is located on the southeast portion of Cotabato province, in the last town going to Davao City. It was bounded by the city of Kidapawan in the north, municipality of Damlang in the west, province of Davao del Sur in the south, and municipality of Tulunan in the southeast. It is 129 kilometers from Cotabato City, 100 kilometers from Davao City, 114 kilometers from General Santos City. Makilala is one of the 5 daughter municipalities of Kidapawan. It was second to separate, created through Executive Number 63, issued by President Ramon Magsaysay on September 8, 1954. Incumbent Kidapawan Councilor Ireneo Castro was appointed as its first mayor. Such a separation, Kidapawan lost its southern border with the undivided Davao. The creation caused splitting of the village of Indangan into two. Few years later, the councilor petitioned to change the border, situated at the Saging River, to the Malaang River, but was ignored by the national government. Makilala is politically subdivided into 38 barangays. Each barangay consists of puroks while some have sitios. Barangay Batasan, Bato, Biangan, Buenavida, Buhay, Bulacanon, Cabilao, Concepcion, Dagupan, Garcica, Guangan, Indangan, Jose Rizal, Katipunan 2, Kawayanon, Quisante, Libuse, Libertad, Luayon, Lunasor, Luna Norte, Malabuan, Malasila, Malungon, New Baguio, New Bulatucan, New Cebu, Old Bulatucan, Poblacion, Rodero, Saging, Santa Filomena, San Vicente, Santo Niño, Singkatulan, Talon-Talunan, Villa Flores, and lastly, New Israel. This is the economy of Makilala. Industries in Makilala are rubber industry, woodworks, and agri-industrial products. The major firms are Stanfel Motor, engaged in cavendish production, and rubber processing companies like Standico, Parma, MRDI, Pioneer, Lasre, MRI, and Davco. Major wood processing company is RNF Summit. Their agricultural land mostly planted with rubber, rice, coconut, coffee, banana, vegetables, and famous fruits such as durian, marang, rambutan, and mangosteen. And now, we are here at the most famous resort here in Makilala, the Lirib Resort. It is located along National Highway, Isante, Makilala, Cotabato. It is an inland resort known for its use of unchlorinated spring water piped from the foothills of Mount Apo. The resort has a big tank. You can do fishing if you don't want to swim yet. It has a pool for kids with slides, pool for swimmers, which is closed the time when we visited. Maybe it's exclusive for professional swimmers who want to practice, pool for diving, and a big pool with different tall slides. Unfortunately, I was not able to swim. I can take the very cold waters. The resort also has a function hall, canteen, open and closed cottages. Welcome to New Israel, Makilala, North Cotabato. It is a home of one of the longest zipline in Asia. New Israel Eco Adventure Park is the most popular tourist destination here in Makilala, Cotabato. Its name means New Paradise. Really makes sense. It's relaxing overview. Group of human-friendly monkeys and home of the one Asia's longest zipline. Did I mention the relaxing cold weather of New Israel? At the first glance of the place, you will be astonished with the monkeys in the village who are the member of the religious sect called Bungkadista. Sometimes old women wear the religious dress. It's quiet word at the first, but you will be used to it over time. If you want to experience New Israel Eco Adventure Park 100%, then don't skip the long zipline ride, which also the park main attraction, with a total of 2.3 kilometers ride on air. It gives you underlane rush that makes your New Israel experience more memorable. Before you experience one of the longest zipline, you have to walk their 456 steps trail. While walking, you will be embarrassed with the trees and breathtaking view. There are several houses made of wood that can be rented for 800 pesos. It's simple and cozy. No need for aircon in this area, since the weather in New Israel is similar to Marilog, Davao City. My guide told me sunset viewing is possible in the area. They also have campsite for the people who love adventure. This is also the usual camping site if you're heading to Mount Apo using the New Israel Trail. Welcome to our journey through Barangay Batasan, a vibrant barangay in Makilala, Cotabato Star. As we explore this hidden gem of the island of Mindanao, we will delve into its rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. Barangay Batasan Makilala is more than just a place on the map. It's a community that breathes life into the spirit of Mindanao, preserving its traditional and living in harmony with its surroundings. Now, we are here at Sianggawan Cove. It is found in the neighboring barangay of Batasan. It is a collection of the cold and hot natural pools found beside the Malasila River. Before you reach the falls, you see first this mini pool. It's found beside Sianggawan Cove. It consists of hot and cold water. As you can see, there are many tourists enjoying the mini pool because the water is not too cold or too hot.